ओके, सो हम देखने वाले हैं जेल स्पेस रेशियो की कैलकुलेशन, जो कि बिल्डिंग मटेरियल एंड कंक्रीट के अंदर आता है। और जेल स्पेस रेशियो से हम निकालते हैं फिर स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ सीमेंट, जो कि दी जाती है बाय दिस स्ट्रेंथ फॉर्मूला 240x³। 240 जो है वो है इंट्रिंसिक स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ जेल, एंड दिस x इज़ द जेल स्पेस रेशियो। सो सीमेंट और वाटर को जब हम मिलाते हैं तो फिर it forms a gel. That gel you can call it you can call it as CS as gel. That gel we are talking about. So now you see that suppose there is C gram of cement, then we know that density of cement is 3.15 gram per cc, that is 1 ml. So for 1 gram the volume of that cement will be 0.319 ml per gram. It is 0.319. It will be 0.319 ml per gram. So suppose there is C volume of C gram of cement and W naught ml of water is mixed. So and it is known that 1 ml of cement, when it is hydrated, it gives 2.06 ml of gel. So now volume of gel will be C gram of cement 0.319 ml per gram, this much ml of cement, and into 2.06 this much ml of gel, that is 0.657 C. Now how much space, from how much space this gel is created? It is that W naught ml of water was there and 0.319 C ml of cement. So the gel space ratio is 0.657 C upon 0.319 C plus W naught. And if alpha is the percentage of cement that is hydrated, so how much cement is hydrated? C alpha gram and 0.319 C alpha ml and W naught ml. And how much of gel it has given? C alpha into 0.657. So this is what our gel space ratio looks like when alpha is the percentage of cement that is hydrated. So we can also do a question. We need to calculate the gel space ratio and the theoretical strength of sample of a concrete which is made with 500 gram of cement, and water by cement ratio is 0.5, and we need to give the gel space ratio when it is 100% hydrated and when it is 60% hydrated. So you see, case 1, when it is 100% hydrated, gel space ratio is 0.657 C upon 0.657 C plus 0.319 C. 0.319 C plus W naught. So 0.657 into 500 gram, 0.319 into 500 gram, and how much ml of water? We see that 0.5 into 500 gram of water is there, and the density of cement is 1 gram per cc. So this much cc of space and this much cc of gel. So calculate 319 into 500 plus 0.5 into 500 inverse multiply by 0.657 into 500. It comes out to be 0.8021. So strength is equals to 240 x cube equals to into 240 0.801 cube multiply by 240. It comes out to be 123.850 MPa. Similarly, do for alpha equals to 60%. Your answer equals to 44.44 MPa. Thank you.